Want to know how to access a checklist in Trello? You would want to access checklist as it helps to break down large tasks into manageable subtasks, making it easier to track progress and stay focused. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to access a checklist in Trello. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Trello app on your screen. Now open any board you wish to access the checklist. Tap onto the card you want to add checklist. Here in the quick action section, you can see the add checklist icon. Tap on it. Likewise, if you wish to add items to your checklist, tap on the add items and you will need to write items. After writing, you can assign the checklist to a certain member by tapping on the add icon. Additionally, you can assign due date by tapping on the clock icon. After customizing the checklist, tap on the tick option. So this is how you can access to your checklist in Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.